Got a new printer over here, it was on sale. Made sure to pick up some batteries and pick up more of the wires, the tape strips. Works pretty well so far. And we're going to do some labeling now. As you can see, it says wire A, wire B, wire C, wire D. What I'm going to do is each one of these I cut in half, and then I put them on the appropriate wires that are connected. This way, when I disconnect the wires, if I intend to put it back to where it belongs now, or not where it belongs now, but rather where it is now, I've got a good trace to go back onto. I'm dealing now with some mixed up wires, going to redo the wires the way I think they should go. If all else fails, I can replace everything back to normal. Thanks for watching.